Longest common prefix. This question has been asked in IBM, Amazon, Disney, and many more companies. Here, we are given an array of strings and we have to return the longest common prefix. The longest prefix which is available in all the words in the string. In this case, it will be FL. So to solve this question, what we will do, we will assume the very first string of the array to be our longest common prefix. And we will start a for loop from the next element. And we will run a while loop inside it and we'll check that the next word, which is flow, that the next word flow starts with the assumed longest common prefix. So it will say no. So we will remove the last letter of that word. In this case, it will be R. Then again, since it is a while loop, it will run again. So now we'll check that does flow starts with FLOWE. It will again say no. And now we will remove E. Now again, it will be checked with does flow starts with flow. It will say yes, it does starts with flow. The while loop will end and the for loop will move forward. Now the next word will come, which is flight, and we'll check that flight starts with flow. It will say no, so W will be removed. Then again this while loop will run. Does flight starts with FLO? It will say no, then this will be removed. And then it will check that flight starts with FL. It will say yes, the while loop will end and the array and the for loop will also end because it is run till the length of the array given. So we have found our longest common prefix, which is FL. In any example where there is no common prefix, we will put a check here that if the assumed element becomes empty, we will return an empty string, that there is no common prefix. Such example will be, let's say there's a dog, cat, and so here you can see that there is no common prefix which is available in all the three words. So the time and space complexity of this question will be n cross m for the time, and where n is the length of the first string which we have assumed to be our longest common prefix, and m is the length of the array, and the space complexity will be O of 1 because we are not creating any new data structures. The code for this will be on your screen in Java, C++, and Python, and I'm going to see you in the next one.